Good evening. Today we will see how to rescheduling of creation of POs when we submitting requisitions. The requirement is like that. Suppose once petition is created, it automatically creates POs against BPA. But I don't want. I want to do it on only on Thursdays. Okay. For that we have to do two setups. Like in our requisition business function, we have to set up. For that, I'm switching over to setup and maintenance. Requirement is to defer creation of POs when we submit requisitions against BP. Okay. Search. Yeah. You have to disable immediately. So show that what have to be disabled. Okay. So you have to disable this already disabled. So if you not disable, you have to disable this. Either this or consolidate into fewer views. So we have one more option here. Go to setup and maintenance. Then go to actions, go to options. Then go to procurement. Then opt-in features. I will requirement is like to defer creation of POs against BPA when we submitting requisitions. Okay. To purchasing. And we have to enable this. So either one first one or second one. We have to. This is I already noted. I will try to paste in my blog. You can refer the blog. After that, we have to go to standard lookups. Add value. Okay. Manage standard lookups. One more setup. Manage standard lookups. Manage standard lookups. Then type is what are PO schedule lookup. we already added Thursday, so no need to add setup and be done. After that, go to Vision, click on go to Procurement, and try to create a BPA. In that BPA, we have that option. Agreements, click on Agreements, Purchase Agreements. Then Manage Agreements. We have click on Spirit Mode. And Controls. That the scheduled loop. It is only available once we sandbox is enabled and you have to enable that field. Then only it will appear. Normally it won't appear by default. You have to enable sandbox and you have to enable that field. Okay. Then only it will come. After that, so Thursday is there. Then once you submit, I'm not submitting now. Just I'm showing the process. So that could generate data. Submit new request. Then go to advanced tab and go to schedule. Then using the schedule. So frequency is weekly. So because we have to for every week. That's the day. That's the 22nd will come. Okay. So it will run on Thursdays. Okay. So that we can prefer creation of POs. Get the next step. BPA. Then we submit. Okay. So that only creates POs only on Thursdays by using this feature. Okay. So that it will reduce the load on the people. Thank you. If you have any queries on this process, you can definitely write to me in YouTube comment section so that I can reply back.